What's up guys, JTM Off-Road here. Today's video, this is the second part to the Avalanche's trip to Southington. Alright, so in last video, we got to see some Jeeps do some rock crawling, Avalanche do some hopping, and a rock bouncer do some bouncing. There's some more exciting stuff that happened in this video, including some carnage to the Avalanche. So let's go ahead and check out what happened. Yeah, we're at Wall Crawl Extension right now. So, whole group's gonna go through. I'm gonna film. Back to the truck. Tried going up Havoc Hill, but there's an XJ broken down. So we're gonna go do some more of the trails out there since it's hot. Everyone's got full passengers, so just gonna get my truck and ride the rest of the trails out. And back through the lake. Oh man, he's killing. Whoa. That sounds good. Bumpy. I should put my head mount on for this. Quick update. Traffic jam.
Light really up right now.
Yep. XJ Hyperlock or XJ Vip.
Cut.
I can't talk.
Redo.
XJ Vapor locked. Subaru's pulling that out. Jason's got something going on with fuel. We're getting him out. And we're playing dancing Jeeps, trying to get it all to work. All right, so everybody's out and we're on our way out to the parking lot so we can see what's possibly going on with Jason's Jeep. So, not sure what'll happen, but we'll get out there. At least it's a big open area. We're close to everything. And we're off the trail and out of everybody's way because it clogs up pretty quick. Look at that thing. Rear mounted radiator. Whew. That was a big tracker. Looks like there's a little off-camber section up here. Very small. We're definitely gonna get some tire in the air. Oh, that was a little fast. All right, in we go. Hopefully. Okay. Oh, that's tight. That is tight. We're good though. Tight's front's binding, but we're good. No, that's fun. I thought that was the mud one. Oops.
Avalanche power!
There we go. Whoa. That was a little soupy. Soupy sand. Hi.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Where's those ledges at?
We'll go back on the gravel road and take a left. And it's just straight out there. Yeah, those sand dunes are pretty fun, but I didn't jump out to set the tripod up. Thought it might be interesting enough inside the Jeep, or in the truck. But you can't hear the truck. It's not loud enough. I couldn't even tell. I didn't look down to see what the RPMs were. Like, it felt like it was up pretty high, but I don't think it was. But I don't know. Definitely needs a louder exhaust. I'd like to get an MBRP, cat back, because they sound pretty good. They're not loud, too loud at idle, it seems, but it seems like if you really want to romp on it, it gets loud. So, but we're heading over to the ledge side now. Go ahead and wheel over there and watch these guys do some ledges. That's always fun. I'd like to try some of the ledges. Some of them seem like they're good for a long wheelbase, but I can't be peer pressured into it with this. The Jeep, no problem. Can trailer that home, but this is definitely an adventure, getting out there rig. You know, don't need to be really beating on this too much. Back on the trail we go. Footer on. I haven't done this one. I don't think. I can't imagine it's gonna be all that difficult, but I feel like it might open up to the lake. Maybe there's a nice view of the lake. Call it photo run because of that. That was literally all the trail was. I don't know why that was. Avalanche crushed that trail. Must have some people trying one of the ledges here. Very nice. Just gonna drive on by. And the typical posing spot of Southington. Just a lonely Avalanche getting no love. Gotta feel included like everybody else. This is a bad idea. Oh, let's see if we can jump it. Oh, it helps having long legs. Okay, we're back to the GoPro because my battery on the Canon's dying. Does this one seem a little rutted out since last time?
Dug out.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Normally just go right up this one.
So I'm not understanding because usually they're all going to do so exhausted. So I don't know why I'm not.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, you'll have it. All right, do it again.
That
Too
was
easy.
good, yeah.
You're gonna have to bump.
Yeah.
Here's that other guy. Get on it.
There you go.
You didn't commit. Try it once, but I think you're gonna be. Alright, so cut all the way past here. Back up. Straight up here now. Slow, a little bit more, a little bit more.
It tastes like salmon.
Turn towards me. Take it.
Oh.
Come up.
Greg's on picture.
Hey, whoa, whoa. Alright, we're gonna winch you out. You came back up now. You needed to be farther this way. Yeah, it went kind of went that way. That was good.
Oh, nice. Your bumper's bent a little bit, but
Oh God, again.
Oh, they're gonna blow my bird.
What's his tires on? Kind of straighter now.
Oh, they're gonna so much worse. Anybody get a picture?
I almost did, and then you just went.
I forgot to hit record.
Did you get out of video?
No, I did.
No one.
I did.
Do it again.
Yeah,
I got you.
that's bad.
Yeah.
All right, done with that side. We're not going into the trails back in that area because they just have such thick mud, and nobody really feels like cleaning mud off their vehicles. So we're heading back over. We're gonna probably go over to the campsite, and there's some hill climbs over there, so we might check those out, and then that's probably gonna about call it a day. So saw somebody drive by and say if I was JTM Off-Road, and they said they watch all my videos. So thanks, man, appreciate that. Well, that got a little violent. Ooh, that's not good. Well, I now know I need to be wary of hill climbs because don't have quite the traction, and because of that, some of those areas are going to get a little squirrely and kick you sideways and put your door into a stump sticking out of the side of the hillside. So that was fun. So probably going to be a video on trying to manage that a little bit. Hopefully I can just get on the inner side and pop it out. But I mean, the interior panel looks pretty good still. But so here's the rest of Southington. Looks like somebody's got a vendor. Got tons of camping, which I'm not going to be doing tonight. But it's always interesting seeing lots of vehicles. What all comes out. There's that Subaru. But they're gonna have a fireworks display tonight because it is the 4th of July, so that's gonna be cool. But they got some good rigs out here. There's some definitely a variety of stuff, but can't go wrong with the Jeep, that's for sure. So it's about 4:15 right now. People are clearing out. People are doing raffles there. We're on our way out. Again, YJ is so much better for off-roading, but it's fun to get out in this. I should probably just try to tone it down a little bit. That is what it needs to come down to. But hey, we had a good time. There was like nothing major. I mean, except for my door. You know, Jason got there and he's got a problem with the fuel delivery or something. So he's had to put it back on the trailer. He's gonna take care of that. But that's how it goes. So we're gonna head out. I changed clothes real quick because it was hot and gross out. So I'm gonna head up to the gas station, get a little bite to eat, and head home. So I don't know what we're gonna do next. I need to break out that welder sometime. I finally got a bottle for it, so hopefully we can do something with that. You know, some other odds and end parts that we need to install, and hopefully we'll get back to the Jeep here soon. So, alrighty guys, if this is the first time on the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. I said that's about it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.